हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप सब। वी ऑल नो दैट इन टूडेज वर्ल्ड हाउ इंग्लिश इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू लर्न अस. You know, whenever we go, even we go into hotels for travelings, in the corporation, and even in school meetings, everywhere we always listen English. So we all know that how English is important. I don't need to express my views, I don't need to explain more. Just I know we need to learn it. But how it learn, where from we should learn it. So you are on the right place today. I will teach you each and everything from starting till the last, not least. So in this video we will learn the basic of learning, how to learn basic of the English. First of all, we should know what is English. English is a language of US, language of British, language of Australia, but its need is around the world. It has become global language, very popular language. If you know English, the person of front of you that will consider you, you know, you have values, you know something good better than him. Why you want to miss this opportunity? I think you should learn. So let's start the video. In today's video we will know what is these are the basic of English. Like Hindi, we know they are a e u. Like similarly they are, you know, they are, it has 26 letters. English has 26 letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. We have 26 letters. If we call combinedly, we will say alphabets. What? Alphabets. Twenty-six alphabets has 5 vowels, which I marked with a blue pen. You know, I marked 5 alphabets: A, E, I, O, and U. That's called alphabet. That's called vowels. And rest of them calls, which are written in black pen. All these are called consonant. It is basic knowledge of learning English. If you want to, if you are curious about what is the use of alphabets, what are the use of consonant, you will learn about all these things in next video. But it is enough for today, and further we will discuss in further videos. Okay, I think you like it most. If you like it, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe this channel and share this video. Thank you. Wish you all. I love you all.